So we are going to determine the surface area of this figure. I don't think I know how to calculate the surface area.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Let me think back till yesterday. We did 3D figures and we talked about nets. Now let me think back to what Ms. Maljevic said about calculating surface area from a net. So this is a rectangular prism, which means it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once I create this net from it, I can use the area formulas that I know and love for a rectangle, area equals length times width, to calculate the surface area. So unlike volume, surface area still is only going to require the multiplication of 2 dimensions. So volume, if you picture a gift box, like for somebody's birthday present or Christmas present or whatever it is you get a present for, in the box, that's the volume. How much stuff can you put in there? Then you start wrapping it up. That's the surface area. How much of that flat paper would we need to cover up the box? So here is my net. I color coded it so I can see the different shapes that I need to calculate the area of. And I'm going to start here with A and C. So I don't see those sides labeled. So I'm just going to cry and quit. Just kidding. Ms. Maljevic said that opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. So I see this 6 over here, which means I can label this as 6, and this is 6, and this is 6, and this is 6. This side is labeled as 2, which means this opposite side is also 2. And when they connect to make that corner, this one also must be equal to 2. So to find the area of A, I'm going to multiply 6 times 2. Here's my favorite part. Once I know A, I can also figure out C because they are equal. So all I have to do here is a little copy and paste, and I know that C is also equal to 12 centimeters squared. Now I'm going to move on to face B. So face B, my 6 is labeled. Down here was my 3 centimeters, which means this is also 3 centimeters. So to find the area of face B, I'm going to do 3 times 6 for the length times the width. Once again, that means that face D would be the exact same area. So I can just do some copy and paste action on this one. 18 centimeters squared. So what I have left then is face E and F. My 3 is labeled down here, which makes these opposite sides also equal to 3. My 2 up here makes this opposite side 2. The opposite faces of a rectangular prism are equivalent. So I am going to multiply 3 times 2 to get 6 centimeters squared. And that would be the same for face F. So now my last step for determining the surface area is to add up all 6 areas. 12 plus 12 plus 18 plus 18 plus 6 plus 6. So I'm going to double up because Ms. Maljevic said that would be easier. And I'm going to get 24 plus 36 plus 12. Now I'm doing 24 plus 36. I'm going to rewrite it over here. I get 60, and 60 plus 12 is 72 centimeters squared. Miss you guys. Let us know if you have any questions.